Welcome back to the channel, everyone. The Santa Maria here, and hello elves, how art thou? Back with another video for you all today. This time we are taking it to my favorite discount retailer, but they have the gems and the finds. Today we are taking it to Aldi, of course. Y'all know I talk about Aldi on this here channel. I regularly shop there for wine, for food, and especially the Aldi finds aisle that has everything you need in your home and things you didn't know you needed. And then of course we really go there for what? Candles, yes. So I know you all like, girl, you are giving fresh face today. Yes, I am, and it's because we have a heat advisory here. It is a heat index of over 100 degrees. You just stand up, you get to sweating, and yeah, it just ain't good. So therefore you all are getting fresh, clean skin today. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the other housekeeping that y'all like. Lipstick of the day, well, lip gloss of the day is none other than the OG, and that is MAC lip glass right here. Yes, OG lip glass. I will always keep a tube of this stuff. I think I own multiple tubes, but yeah, this one has been ride or die. A little bit goes a very long way, and yes, the lips are luscious, honey. And it's quite sticky, so yeah, it plays no games. If you wear long hair and the wind is blowing, it's not your friend. I obviously have short hair. Got my hair done today. Yay, hair day. And yeah, so we can wear gloss. Okay, next thing up, you all, we have perfume of the day, and that is none other than Bulgari Omnia Crystalline. This is a all-time favorite of mine. I have owned multiple bottles of this scent for over 10 years now. This scent goes back to college with me. So yeah, this scent and I are very emotionally attached. It just smells ultimately clean. This was my first clean scent, so I love it. Of course, they have a whole slew of other scents in this crystalline family. Well, excuse me, in the Omnia family, but yeah, crystalline is bae forever. So let's get into the candles that you all care about. The new or semi-ish new that has come out at Aldi. So you all, this collection is considered a end of summer, kind of pre-fall kind of collection. Some people say it leans more end of summer than anything. I think it's both, but you all talk about it in the comments below. This collection came out, I had to take me some notes so I can come correct. It came out in the weekly ad, and they go into effect on the Wednesday of the week in my area. So they came out on July 14th, and that's when the deals featured will be going into effect. So for all intents and purposes, these candles came out on July 14th. Yes, another important note to mention, I probably have mentioned it before, but for those that are new, if you are going to get into the Aldi treasure find hunting, Aldi finds game, Wednesday is the best day to go, because that's when the new comes out. That's when they put it out on the floor. And understand, you are competing against old retired people that got time. Some of them are lined up at the door before they even open, so it's not a game if you want some Aldi finds. The candles are $3.99 in this collection. They are of course the Huntington Home line. 4 candles came out in this collection. Those candles were Pacific Redwood, Ice Cream S'mores, Havana Rose, Ginger Nectarine. So out of those 4, I only purchased 2, and you're going to see those 2 very shortly, and you will know why. The first candle I got out of this collection is the Ice Cream and S'mores candle. Take a look at the label, isn't it cute? Cream wax, which is befitting of marshmallow roasting over the fireplace. The throw on this is really good. It smells, you smell the marshmallow in this. You smell the marshmallow, you get the cream, like it's vanilla ice cream situation. The only thing I'm not getting as much of, I don't necessarily need a flame or a fireplace scent in this, because it does say Ice Cream S'mores. And I do smell a hint of the chocolate. So for all intents and purposes, the name seems pretty accurate. I'm hoping though that I get more of that graham cracker note in there for a true s'more. If you were a big kid like me, s'mores were made out of graham crackers, Hershey's chocolate, and marshmallows. Smashed together, all ooey gooey and warm and hot. Love it. So I'm excited to see how this does. On cold, this is very promising. And at this rate, I'm expecting this one to throw at about an 8. So we shall see. Of course, stay tuned for post-burn reviews as I always do. Yay, but I like this. I think it'll be good. And then the second candle I picked up from this collection was the Pacific Redwood. Look at that. I like the redwood trees in the background, and the forest green wax is very pretty. I like. This is giving me that cedar wood, redwood. It's almost leaning pineish, but not quite going all the way Christmassy, like fresh balsams and those type of things. It's not giving me fir. It's not giving me that. But this is definitely a summer woody scent. This is an excellent transitional scent for fall, and that's actually why I picked this one up. This is a extremely good transitional scent. It's not coconut, it's not sunscreen, which is extremely summer, but at the same time, it's not apple, it's not cinnamon, it's not all that, but it's a nice, this is a nice, light, woody scent, and I think it's perfect for burning in, say, August going into September. I think this is fabulous. Oh, and by the way, I think this one is gonna this one's gonna probably be a 7, because like I said, again, it's a light wood scent in my opinion. But yeah, I'm kind of rocking with that. So going back to the candles they also had in this collection, the other one was Havana Rose. I did get to smell it. It smelled just like the Garden Rose candle that I featured in a previous post-burn review video, also by Aldi. So to me, I'm like, rose is not a summer scent to me. Rose is a spring scent and definitely not a fall scent. So I don't need any more rose candles. So I left it on the shelf. And then the other candle that's in the collection is Ginger Nectarine. I smelled it again. This one was super fruity and it gave me pure summer. And which, to be fair, it did come out in July, which is summer. But at this point, I'm wrapping up my summer candle buying. I don't want anything else after July 31st. That is a summer candle. That's just my personal buying strategy. So I am done with anything sea castle, sand, beach, all that lovely goodness. I'm done after July 31st. So all right, everybody, that wraps up this here video about these candles. Let me know what you picked up from Aldi. Do you buy Aldi candles? Are you digging this collection? And then I'm already seeing they have some other new candles that are coming out. So, and I'm hearing good things about those. Aldi is cranking them out for summer and going into fall, so I'm really excited to see. I plan to even check out the new collection that I'm hearing is supposed to be dropping very soon. I think it might even be dropping tomorrow, so I'm gonna double check that. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think, and yeah, until next time everyone, I will see you in the next one. Bye y'all.